Hi, beloveds. Here is a cover letter tip that maybe you didn't know. You may not have known this before, so let's go. Times have really changed, and I remember way back in the day when I used to handwrite thank you letters, and I would advise my clients to do the same. But now I can't even remember, when was the last time I sat down to handwrite such a thing? I don't know. But this doesn't mean that following up after interviews doesn't matter, because it does. 100% it matters. So instead of a handwritten thank you, draft up a brief email and send it to them, preferably the next day. Don't wait more than 3 days, preferably the next day. Some of my favorite subject lines that I like to use for these are "in gratitude," or "thank you for inviting me to the interview," or in the subject line, just a simple "thank you" with the exclamation point. And so when crafting your thank you email, here are 2 tips. Number 1, be brief and strategic. Reiterate why you're excited for the role and why you are a great fit. Sometimes, depending on if this is the first or second or third interview, if it's the last interview, I may actually attach a reference letter or 2. Secondly, if there were any questions that were asked during the interview that you feel it, that you could have answered better, use the thank you letter as a way to revisit this question with a more powerful answer. You can start off saying something like, in the interview, you asked me A, B, C, and D, and I've been reflecting on that for a while. And I want to say that I believe blah, 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 blah. And then you can reiterate or say in a better way what you had wished you would have said before, okay? Just reframe your answer as you wish you would have in the actual interview. And so, if you would like to see what I wrote in my latest thank you letter, reach out to me, go to my Career Wellness store and make an appointment to chat with me. I would love to help you to tweak your thank you letter or talk more to you about this. So, good luck and don't give up, all right?